Hello YouTubers! Thank you for watching my videos. I am Sergio Explains, and today once again I'm here to talk to you about the mini bottles of Johnnie Walker. There is so much to talk about that, they keep on coming up every video. I talk to you about them being collectible. For example, I have in my collection the little red with a box, beautiful collectible from quite a few years ago. I also have the black label with the box, also beautiful. They used to make such beautiful boxes for these bottles. The bottles still were wonderful. Nowadays, some brands just went into plastic, for example, and it's like they don't look good anymore, or the labels themselves or the bottles themselves are so like cheap looking. But Johnnie Walker has not only kept up with the trend of having beautiful bottles, even if it means spending a little bit more for producing those bottles, but also for the boxes. So Johnnie Walker is doing a wonderful job. Look at the new mini blue box. You know, it is a hard box too, and it has two parts like this. I know I've shown this before, but I'm getting to the point that when the mini bottles are, first of all, for drinking, but there are a lot of people who collect them. So one of the things mini bottles are good for is collecting them. And these are just so collectible. Another thing mini bottles are good for are for tastings, especially comparative tastings. When you have something like this, and you can open 5 different ones and hold it upside down and taste all of them side to side. And I love doing that. A lot of times just blind, like not knowing exactly. You put a little label on the bottom and then you just mix them and you don't know which one is which. But what happens is when we do the tastings, a lot of times everybody just wants the blue one because it's the most famous, it's the most expensive, or maybe they never had a chance to drink it before while they tried all the other ones. And so what happens is when I buy whole sets of these, but the blue ones go real fast, and up to the point that I have had to buy cases of just the blue. This is the blue, like the one I was showing you. You know, there are 6 in each case. I have to buy whole cases of these to keep up with the demand for the blue because it's so popular. But what do I do with the leftovers? Because when I open the sets and people just take the blue when I don't have additional ones like these, I get a lot of these leftovers. Including the gold, the 18, the double black. See, I'm showing you the green, not the double black. The double black gets left over a lot of times, and the green does not come in these sets. The green are more collectible. These are from, I don't want to say the wrong information. I think they are from the Asian market, and there is writing in a language that I don't understand in the back of it. Chinese, I believe it is, and these are more difficult to find. So these are more collectible than the rest. Whenever possible, I try not to open the mini greens, and if someone wants to try it, I'll open a full bottle and just pour from the full bottle, because these are more difficult to find because they don't come in the sets or in most sets. There are some sets that bring the green, but they are also from the Asian market, I believe. So in addition to being collectible and good for tastings, comparative tastings and blind tastings, One of my favorite activities to do with these, and I know I said before that I give them away, and this is even better. When you go someplace, like I recently went to the beach with my wife, and we went to see the sunset, and we brought a little few things to eat there. I believe it was hearts of palm and something else, and then I just brought two of these minis along, one for me, one for her, and two copitas, little stem glasses, and we had a wonderful time at the beach. And that way, you don't have to carry a full bottle. You're just going to have one drink each, and they're perfect for that. Also, you can take them when you're going golfing. You go play some golf, and you bring or two of these. You don't have to carry a full bottle around. And really, one of the times when I enjoy it the most is going to the movies. When we go to the movies with my friends, I did this once, and then after that, it was so popular that everybody just expects it of me nowadays. So when we go to the movies, I bring some of these with me. I usually sneak them in my boots, and I pass them around. As soon as we sit down, the lights go off, and I start passing them around. And like I said, now it's no surprise anymore. They just expect me to do this. Hey, Sergio, do you bring the whiskey or what? But it is very, very nice to enjoy a whiskey, even if you're just sipping it out of the bottle while you're watching the movie. One of the times we went to see, a few years ago, we went to see Kingsman, it was. So I was passing them around before the movie, and the guy behind me goes, hey, because everybody was going, Sergio this, Sergio that, and the guy behind me, I don't know him, but he goes, hey, Sergio, you have one for me too? And I turned around, looked at him, and said, this ain't that kind of movie. So no, I did not give whiskey to an unknown person, but the excuse was like, it's only 4 of us, and I brought 4, so. But I recommend this for you when you're planning on taking a trip, going somewhere that you're not going to, you don't want to be carrying the full bottle. Taking these for a picnic, for golf, or some other activity, for the movies. And I'm sure you can think of many other places where you can take a few of these and enjoy them while you have a good time. At home, you can open the full bottle. But if you're going to be moving around, going somewhere, these are absolutely awesome. And you know what? I don't mind if they are not the blue, because I enjoy the gold. I enjoy the double black very, very much. So while the blue is extraordinary, I enjoy the 18 and the blue and the double black and other Johnnie Walkers as much as the blue. So that's it for right now. I have more to talk to you about, but I don't want these videos to go on forever. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Sergio Explains. There you go. Gracias. Bye.